Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the surface chemistry. Then what is a surface chemistry? Branch of chemistry which deals with the nature of surfaces and the phenomena that occur at the surfaces or interfaces is called surface chemistry. Means interface or surface is represented by separating the bulk phases by hyphen or a slash. Example, the interface between a solid and a gas may be represented by solid slash gas. There is no interface between the gases due to complete miscibility. Now, we will take the new topic, adsorption. Adsorption means accumulation of molecular species at the surface rather than in the bulk of a solid or liquid is termed adsorption. Means you can say the phenomena of attracting and retaining the molecules of substances at the surface of a solid or liquid, resulting into higher concentration of the molecules on the surface than in the bulk is called adsorption. When adsorption occurs, there is a decrease of surface energy. I will take this later. Now we will discuss a few terms used in this chapter. The first is the adsorbent. Adsorbent means the solid substance on the surface of which adsorption occurs is known as adsorbent. Means this is the solid or liquid, this is the adsorbent. ये क्या है? ये जो है आपका adsorbent है. The gas or which is adsorb on this surface, ये जो बाहर जो surface है करेगी, इसको आप कहेंगे adsorbent. This is the adsorbent. Means adsorbent, the substance which accumulates at the surface is termed adsorbent. Now next term is the desorption. The process of removing an adsorbed substances from a surface on which it is adsorbed is called desorption. What is the difference between the adsorption and absorption? Very easily somebody use the term absorb. So what is, and somebody use the adsorb. So both are the just like the same word, absorption and absorption. So what is the difference between these two terms? In the case of absorption, in this particles of gas or liquid get uniformly distributed throughout the body of the solid. But in case of adsorption, it is the phenomena of higher concentration of particle or gas or liquid on the surface than in the bulk of the solid. Absorption occurs at a uniform rate, but adsorption is rapid in the beginning and its rate slowly decreases. In the case of absorption, the concentration is the same throughout the material, therefore it is bulk phenomena. Absorption is the bulk phenomena. In the case of adsorption, the concentration on the surface of the adsorbent is different from that in the bulk. Therefore, it is a surface phenomenon. Now, next is the mechanism of adsorption. On the surface, particles are not surrounded by atoms or molecules of their kind of all sides. Hence, they show unbalanced or residual attractive forces. Therefore, they attract the adsorbate material on its surface. The extent of adsorption increases with the increase of surface area per unit mass of the adsorbent at a given temperature and pressure. During adsorption, there is a decrease in surface energy which appears as heat. Delta H of adsorption is always negative, delta S is also negative. Now next topic is types of adsorption. There are two types of adsorption depending upon the nature of forces which hold the molecules of the adsorbate on the surface of the adsorbent. The adsorption is classified in two types. The first is the physisorption, second is the chemisorption. Now, what are the characteristics of the physical adsorption, physisorption? What is the physical adsorption? When the particles of the adsorbate are held to the surface of the adsorbent by the physical forces such as van der Waals forces. The adsorption is called physisorption. What are the characteristics of the physical adsorption? The first is the lack of specificity, second nature of adsorbate, third is reversible nature, fourth is surface area of adsorbent, next is the enthalpy of adsorption. These are the characteristics, but one by one we will discuss. The lack of specificity, it is not a specific in nature. All the gases are adsorbed on all solid to the same extent. This is because a given surface of an adsorbent does not show any preference for a particular gas, as the van der Waals forces are universal. Now next is the nature of adsorbate. The extent of physical adsorption depends upon the ease of liquefaction of the gas. Gases which are easily liquefied are adsorbed readily because van der Waals forces are stronger near the critical temperature. Now reversible nature, the physisorption process is generally reversible and therefore equilibrium is reached rapidly. What is the effect of temperature? इसमें टेम्परेचर का इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. Since adsorption process is exothermic, therefore physical adsorption occurs readily at low temperature and decreases with increase in temperature. According to Le principle, if the temperature is increased, the kinetic energy of gas molecules increases and they leave the surface of the adsorbent. Therefore, rise in temperature decreases the extent of adsorption. So, physisorption is also affected by the temperature. Now, next is the characteristics of the chemisorption. High specificity, irreversibility, surface area of adsorbent and enthalpy of adsorbent as well as the effect of temperature. These are the characteristics. And what are the chemical adsorption? When the molecules of the adsorbate are held to the surface of the adsorbent by the chemical forces, a chemical bond, the adsorption is called the chemisorption. Now we will discuss the characteristics one by one. Chemical adsorption, enthalpy of adsorption. Attractive forces between the adsorbent and adsorbate molecules are strong chemical bonds, and therefore molar heat of adsorption is high, and it is order of 80 to 240 kilojoule per mole. Now the nature of irreversible nature. Unlike physical adsorption, it is irreversible because chemisorption involves compound formation. What will be the effect of the temperature? Now next we have not included in this, and the temperature is also effect the chemisorption. Chemical adsorption first increases with increase in temperature up to a certain extent, then decreases regularly. Now, high selectivity. Unlike physical adsorption, chemical adsorption involves the formation of chemical bonds between the adsorbed molecules and the surface of adsorbent. Therefore, it is highly selective. Now, the surface area will also affect the chemisorption. It also depends on the surface area, also increases with an increase of surface area. So, this is the chemisorption and physisorption. Now, what is the comparison between physisorption and chemisorption? In the case of physisorption, it arises because of van der Waals forces. Chemisorption, it is caused by the chemical bond formation. Physisorption, it is not specific in nature, it is highly specific in nature. Physisorption, it is reversible nature, and chemisorption, it is a irreversible nature. Physisorption, it depends on the nature of gas. More easily liquefiable gases are adsorbed readily. It also depends on the nature of gases which can react with the adsorbent, show chemisorption. In the case of physisorption, enthalpy of adsorption is low, 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole in this case. But in the case of chemisorption, it is high 80 to 40 kilojoule per mole in this case. Physisorption, low temperature is favorable for adsorption. It decreases with increase of temperature. But chemisorption, high temperature is favorable for adsorption. It increases with the increase of temperature. Now, next comparison, no appreciable activation energy is needed, high activation energy is needed. It depends on the surface area, it increases with an increase of surface area. Chemisorption, it also depends on the surface area, it too increases with an increase of surface area. It results into multi-molecular layers on the adsorbent surface under high pressure. It results into unimolecular layers. We have discussed few points of the comparison. So it is a very important, but we want to remember few points. Delta H for the adsorption, in the case of adsorption, is always negative. Delta S adsorption is negative. इसको आप सब याद कर लेंगे. तो दिस इज़ द, बट जनरली आई वांट टू डिस्कस द one more topic, enthalpy of adsorption. What is the enthalpy of adsorption? The amount of heat evolved when 1 mole of an adsorbate gas or liquid is adsorbed on the surface of an adsorbent is called enthalpy of adsorption. So we will take tomorrow new topic. So thank you.